And in this video I'll tell you what happens to your data when you sign out of Apple ID. Your data is not deleted from your Apple server. Your data is not deleted from Apple server, but it is disconnected from your device. Most information stored in iCloud remains safely in the cloud and reappear once you sign back in. However, and I'll tell you what, during the sign out process, Apple will ask you if you want to keep a copy of specific data on your device. If you wanna, you can typically choose to keep contacts, calendar, and Safari password, or locally stored data like photos in your camera roll. Health data and boarding pass in your wallet generally stays. What is removed from your device? Data that strictly relies on live iCloud connection will disappear from device but stays in your account. iCloud mails and files, sync note and reminders, photos, optimized and shared album. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries about this Apple ID, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.